Hey, my dears! Welcome to the Grammar Podcast. Put the seatbelt on and let's dive in.
Today, we're building your English grammar toolkit step by step. Let's get started. So how exactly do we name and describe the world around us? Well, let's find out.
First up is the noun. A noun is just a simple word for a person, place, or thing.
Now, some things we can easily count, like apples, but other things, like water, we just can't. For those uncountable nouns, like traffic or water, remember to never add an S to the end.
We also have neuter nouns. These are simple objects that aren't male or female, like a wall.
Let's move on to plurals. To talk about more than one thing, we usually just add S.
But watch out for exceptions. For words ending in O, we add ES. Potato becomes potatoes.
Words ending in Y have a special rule. It all depends on the letter right before that Y.
See the difference here? Baby changes to babies with IES, but day just gets an S.
Now listen for the F sound. To make it plural, change F to V and add ES.
Let's try it out. Shelf becomes shelves. Knife becomes knives. Notice how the sound changes there?
Some words break the rules completely. One man becomes many men. We don't use an S at all.
The same idea applies here. One woman becomes some women. The entire word just changes.
Next, a collective noun is a single word for a whole group of people. Take family, for example.
If there's more than one group, we make it plural. So one family becomes many families.
Okay, quantity words. We use a or an for any single thing, and the for very specific things.
Just use some when you don't know the exact amount, but use many for a very large number.
Now for describing words. An adjective is great because it gives us much more information about a noun.
The basic rule is simple. The adjective always comes right before the noun, like a new coat. When using two adjectives, order actually matters. First is size or age, then color, then the noun. For example, a large, black horse. The size goes first, and then the color follows right after. Here's another one, a small blue bag. As you can see, it follows the exact same order.
Age also comes before color, so we'd say a new red coat. It's actually really logical.
You have the tools now. Look around you. How many adjectives can you use to describe what you see?
Today, we're going to learn how to build simple English sentences.
Every single sentence starts with simple words. For example, apple.
Now, some things we can count, like trees. Other things we just can't, like water.
For more than one, just add S, like books. But sometimes the whole word changes. We use A before a consonant sound, so we say a car. But use an before a vowel sound, A, E, I, O, U, like an apple.
Use the for a specific thing we both already know, like the door. These words tell us how much or how many, like some, many, or a few.
A lot of for big amounts, and we use any when asking questions.
Describing words add great detail. Check out these common opposites, like hot and cold.
These words can come right after the word is. For example, he is young.
Or put them right before the thing itself, like this. A new coat.
Using two describing words, always put size before color. A large black horse.
Use these words for people. And hey, the word I is always a capital letter.
Now let's build. English sentences follow a strict order. Who, the action, then the thing. Subject, she. Action, likes. Object, apples. Put it all together, she likes apples. You've got all the building blocks now. So, what English sentence will you build next?
If you like this video, write in the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.
In the comments, subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and share the video with your friends.
And if you'd like to practice more, click the link up here to jump into the next English lesson.